Morning, everybody. I've had 4 hours sleep, so I don't know how this video is going to go. Just going to move the wine out the way. Today, I'm going to 4 locations with 5 vending machines. Yeah, four locations, 5 vending machines. The first location has 2 vending machines on site. The second, third, and 5th location has 1 on site each. So yeah, I've just had the first location we're going to. It's got 2 card readers on it. They've just had lack of sleep. The first location that's just had card readers put on it. So that's where we're going to do the configuration. The second location hasn't got card readers on it yet, but I'm hoping by the end of the month it will. They are just a little bit expensive. So yeah, we're gonna go and do the little configuration this morning, and then hopefully sales will boost. I need to go and get some signages from my parents' place because my mum printed me off some signs saying that there's card readers at the location. I also have another location that's just had card readers on, but it's not open on a Saturday, which is Saturday today. So I have to go there Monday, which is a bit of a faff because I could have done that today, but oh well. Oh my god, I just got into the, let me turn the radio off. I just got into the car. It is frozen solid and it's freezing. And I just had to get a massive order that was in the hallway of my apartment. It's an order of brownies and flapjacks, and I honestly struggled carrying it, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, someone's coming out of the house. That's a bit awkward. Okay, he doesn't need to. I'm parked in the tunnel in my house and no cars can get in and out, so that was awkward. Oh, it's freezing. I'm waiting for the windshield to defrost. I just had to blindly reverse because I needed to get that order in the van. So I was like, don't crash. Didn't crash. It's cold. Roll on summer. I need to use my phone, so I'm not going to be able to record. I'll keep you updated though. Right, this is what we're working with. There we go. I've just spent like £150 on stock. That wasn't that much actually. There we go. I'm just about to go to the first location. I don't know how long I'm going to spend in there because I need to do the card reader stuff. I didn't film anything in Bestways because it was absolutely Baltic. The trolley was freezing. Oh god, that was a bumpy road. Yeah, so I was literally just in and out of there. So the stock is partly there and partly in the back. But I'm just going to stop recording now, and then because I'm driving, and I will see you at the first location. Alright, so we just got here to the first place. I don't know how much I'm going to speak inside because it's right at the reception and it's really awkward, so yeah, you're going to have to bear with. I'll probably do B-roll and stuff, plus I'm going to be on my laptop a bit, so bear with. Yeah, bye. second trip. We have a problem. That is stuck. That was stressful. Can machine was great. Can machine was absolutely fine. Snack machine, however, you will see that I didn't film anything with it. Well, hardly anything. The MVD codes were just not showing up at all on Nyax. Come on, mate. There we go. Yeah, the MVD codes weren't showing up on Nyax, so I just gave up in the end. Yeah, I just gave up. So I just need to figure out why they weren't. Some of them were showing up. The first row, none of them were showing up at all. If I would have got like 1 or 2 showing up on the row, then shut the fuck up. I could have figured out the rest, but there was only none of them. They were all coming up as 0, so I just couldn't do it. On the second row, only 1 came up, so I couldn't fathom out what the rest of them were. On the third row, I think 2 or 3 came up, so I could figure out what the rest of them were, what the other one was, but then I couldn't make out what it was for the first and second row, because there was no correlation going on. Like, it was like 4-digit numbers, so it was just a nightmare. It wasn't like a Snacky Max where it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, because the digits are like A2, B2, C2, so yeah, it's just, I just wanted to shoot myself in the face, if I'm being honest with you. So I'm gonna go to the next location. I was gonna go to Kia, one of my locations, but I think I'm just gonna leave it because I'm really behind on time. Fuck, I just went through a red light. Well, an amber light, but you know. So I'm just gonna leave that, and I'm just gonna go there next week instead. And I'm just gonna head to my other locations. Just got to the next location. Still doesn't have a light in this one. Don't know when I can gas changing it. Go, go, go. Hey? Hey? Ah. Very quickly done. Boom. I just finished up at the last location. I am absolutely knackered. I'm going to finish up this video when I get back. Because I don't know, I think the saying is I don't know my ass from my elbow right now. I like that saying. Yeah, I don't really have any verbs or nouns or adjectives, so I'll see you in a bit. Yeah, bye. Well, I clearly didn't end that video. Yeah, so if you like that video, give it a like, comment, subscribe. I'm posting more regularly, so make sure you're active because I'm running a giveaway thing. Yeah, so be active, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Follow me on Instagram. I'm back on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok. Be nice. go to school. Oh, I don't know what I'm saying. Yeah. Cue the outro. Peace. Woo!